understand the concept of coprime numbers. Coprime numbers are those numbers which do not have any other factor common except 1. And therefore, if n is a number which can be expressed as p to the power a, q to the power b, r to the power c and so on, where p, q and r are its prime factors, that means if I want to find a number which is coprime to n, the number should not be divisible by either of p or q or r. And therefore, if you are talking about number of numbers which are coprime to n and less than n, their total number can be found out as n into 1 minus 1 by p into 1 minus 1 by q into 1 minus 1 by r and so on. Let's take the example of 35. Now, 35 is nothing but 5 into 7, which means if I have to find out numbers which are coprime to 35, that number should not be divisible by both of 5 as well as 7. That means if a number is divisible by 5 or 7 or both, then it is not coprime to 35. And therefore, if I have to find out number of numbers which are coprime to 35 and less than 35, the way I should find out is, if 35 should be multiplied with 1 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5, into 1 minus 1 by 7, that is 6 by 7, or in other words, there will be total 24 numbers which are coprime to 35 and less than 35. Below this, I have listed down all the numbers which are coprime to 35 and less than 35, and you can check it out that there are total 24 numbers which are coprime to 35 and less than 35. The question is, find out number of numbers which are coprime to 180 and less than 180. Now, as we already know, 180 can be prime factorized as 2 square into 3 square into 5. And therefore, if you have to find out numbers which are coprime to 180, the number should not be divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or any other combination involving these three numbers. And therefore, as we have just learned, the total number of numbers which will be coprime to 180 and less than 180 can be found out as 180 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5. Or in other words, 180 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5, total 48 numbers.